guys and welcome. This is me, JBO, singing vegan mum on this lovely sunny day in lockdown during this coronavirus craziness. It's a lovely day. My garden's a little bit wild and overgrown, so I've decided I'd better trim it up. I've already started. I've kind of smoothed up this tree, made it look all nice. This is my cherry tree, and this is my plum tree, and that one over there is my cherry tree. I'm just gonna sort of make it look nice and round and that kind of stuff. So listen, it's really hard out there, and once again I thank everyone for staying at home. Let's stay at home, let's find things to do. Right, so today's recipe, I'm gonna go in the kitchen and tell you all about it. Before I carry on, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 200 viewers on YouTube. So it's Sunday. I'm going to drop my dad some dinner as usual. So usual rice and peas. I usually do some kind of chickpea curry, but I did a 3-bean curry this time. Normally he puts chicken to it, but I'm hoping that when I bring all this dinner, one day he'll stop adding the chicken to it and just sort of become maybe a bit of a vegan. Who knows, yeah, we're still working on it. Yesterday, my kids had a dinner and it was mashed potato and had loads left. So I thought, because he wants that kind of meat or fish taste, I thought today what I would do with the mashed potato is add some kelp powder and make it into sort of like little fish cakes. Kelp powder has that sort of taste of the sea. I had my ready-made mashed potatoes from the day before and I just seasoned it up.
I love is strong every day. Remix healthy grassy picture planes. I am glad I'm not colorblind. Blue the sea. Oh.
I added my kelp powder and then I wet my hands just so that the potato wouldn't stick to my hands, but also it would make the potato sticky. I'd already got some flour and I seasoned it with turmeric, allspice, pepper, garlic powder, and then with my wet hands, I then just shaped it up, put it in my lovely seasoned flour, and then I put it in the oven to crisp up. And it was delicious. In fact, I went to my dad's house. Well, he was outside waiting for me actually. I kept going, Dad, stay over there, stay over there. He kept coming to me. He rang me up and said, oh, I like this dinner. I didn't put chicken to it. And you know what? It is all right. I couldn't believe it, to be quiet. My dad liked my complete vegan meal. I mean, he always does like it. He always has to add chicken or fish to it. So my dad's been naughty. And I hear that he's just been going out to Tesco's and been going about the place. So I've got him on loudspeaker and we're going to find out what's going on because it's not on. So let's see what Dad has got to say for himself. Why is he leaving out the house?
Hello, ma.
I'm just checking in on you. Are you running up and down?
No, I'm not running up and down.
You're not going anywhere?
No.
Alright, because I had to tell my YouTube people that, my people, I've got a little food blog, right?
Yeah?
And I'm telling them that my dad won't stay one place.
I didn't hear that. Say it again.
I am telling everybody that you are not staying one place.
One place.
Yeah, you keep going out.
No, yeah.
Yeah. You say you're not going to go nowhere?
No.
Alright, just checking, alright? Because Dad, you're serious out there, right?
I know.
No. So I'm telling everybody that my dad keeps going out, and so now everybody knows that you have a ton of your yard. Yes?
But, look, I don't think, when you're reading the newspaper, it's too much for her to read the newspaper.
Why is it too much for her to? She's a neighbour, she's young and fresh. She's happy to come and drop the newspaper, Dad. I've made the arrangement, Dad. I've made the arrangement for the girl to get your newspaper. Just take the newspaper and relax yourself, no man.
Whatever it's on this morning,
yes.
I bought one. And then when we come party, bring one as well.
So just relax. People are bringing you newspaper, right? Now you got 4 newspaper.
We don't one newspaper anyway. The Sun and the Mirror I used to have when Mrs. Rose was here.
Right.
But she doesn't here anymore, so I don't want the Mirror now,
Alright, I only want the Mirror. So the young girl, she is happy, next door neighbour, to drop the thing for you every day. Just relax. And then you got Fuzzy on the other side. She's happy to do the same, Dad.
Oh, no, it was It's crazy.
You got
Everything's under control.
It's under control. You've got the best neighbours, Dad. You've got the best neighbours. Everyone is there to do stuff for you. And then when I'm ringing now, you're not there. What's that about? This morning.
Oh, forget that part. Not say that.
Oh, you forgot that now. Oh, okay then.
Coronavirus.
All right then, Daddy Rose. And we're gone.
I'll speak to you again. Have a good evening.
See you later. So my dad is not behaving himself. He keeps going out. We've got two lovely neighbours either side of us, and my dad keeps going out. I don't even know. Anyway, he said it won't happen again, but he did that last week. He said it wasn't going to happen again. So guys, I hope you like my recipe. Please subscribe, please comment, please send me your pictures of your food so I can show and share on all my other social media platforms. So guys, I'm going to come real regular and show you food. In fact, on Friday is going to be Good Friday, so look out. I'm going to make some Caribbean bun the same way my mum would make it. I've got lots of recipes to inspire you, to inspire me back. Send me some of your recipes. And I will see you again next time.
Rainbow